Alright guys, I just had a false start to the last. I just tried recording a video a couple minutes ago and I accidentally hit the off button. I really don't want to upload a 2-minute long video, so I'm just going to repeat basically the same stuff that I just did. We had just come out of the prison in the last published video. Hold on. Trying to do so many things at once here. I'm at Fisherman's Memorial State Park in Narragansett, Rhode Island, at the former Fort Greene West Reservation. Huge bunker. Before I get into that, I gotta give a channel shout out. So let's see if I can do it and not mess up the video this time. Why does it say no connection? Oh no, I get no service in here now? Getting like no bars in here. I guess I shouldn't be surprised. Okay, well, anyway, I think I remember what the guy's name was. It's a kid. I believe his channel name is Elite J16. If I'm saying it wrong, I'll be saying it right in the thing that just popped up on your screen. He's trying hard to make his YouTube channel work, so please check out his channel. Okay, so we're in the bunker, the abandoned bunker. Longest, widest corridor I've ever seen in an abandoned bunker in my life. Of course, I haven't seen that many abandoned bunkers, just a few. So, yeah, so that's the way we came in, and that's the end down there. And in the other video that I messed up on that I didn't upload because I hit stop early, right before the video ended, I was getting my K2 meter out. I was saying that I was a little scared to do so because it's so creepy in here, but I was going to try it anyway. And then when I was getting it out, I was talking about, I kept hearing the water dripping, and right at that moment, I heard some metal creak down. So it sounded like it came from the far end there. And it just kind of weirded me out because water dripping wouldn't make metal creak. I mean, I'm not saying it was anything haunted, but it just, you never know. You know, it could have just been metal getting ready to go. Anyway, so let's try this. I got my K2 meter. Okay. Is there any entities in here that would like to say hello to us? If so, see if you can light this up past the first mark. Nope, not right now anyway. Alright, I'm going to put it in my pocket, and if I see it light up, I'll let you know. I'm not going to get my hopes up that it's going to do much because it doesn't usually do much. I have had it work in the past, just not on camera. Okay, so let me see if I can switch hands here. Hold on. Okay, so onward down the corridor. Oh my God. K2 meter's lighting up, guys. Holy crap. I'm not one to get scared easily, but I must admit I got my hackles up. I swear to you it was just lighting up and you saw it. Is there anyone here? Go ahead, light up the meter. They never do it on command, I found, or rarely. They do it when they want to do it. Okay, K2 meter back. Wait a minute now, let me put my flash, nope, look at this. I put my flashlight and my camera near it, and it's not lighting up. So it's not, whatever reason it was lighting up, it wasn't from that. Wait, maybe it was from my phone. Let me put my phone next to it. Okay, it is lighting up now. So it might have just been from my phone. Should I shut my phone off to prevent contamination? I think I will. I just heard that metal sound again. But it might have been water dripping on metal. Alright, phone is powering off. Should be. Okay, phone is off. Test run, I put my phone next to the meter. Nope, okay. Now let's see if it still lights up. If it still lights up now, then we know, we don't know, but we think there's a better chance it might be something. Is there anyone here? It's not lighting up now. It might just have been my phone trying to set up, get a signal in here. I don't want to jump to conclusions. Oh my goodness. There's like a wet ramp. I don't want to slip on this. Wow, look at this room. Wow. Notice, please do not tag these walls. Now, what would have been a point of all these holes? Perhaps that's just like where they had the drainage. Whoa, this ramp is kind of slick. I'm going to go down it very carefully. Dunk underneath this pipe. It's a little less creepy down in here. That corridor is just horribly echoey and drippy sounding. Gives me the willies. This room seems a little drier, and perhaps it's drier because it's got drainage for the water to go in. Oh wow, I think I see bars down there again. Well, let's check this room out first, and then nautical star. I love nautical stars. All these little pits you gotta watch out for. Look, light fixture, it's fallen from the ceiling. Oh wow, look at all those things hanging from the ceiling. That's probably asbestos up there. And I'm not wearing a respirator. Well, I won't be in here too long, so I'll probably be all right. The real danger from asbestos comes when you're exposed to it on a daily basis, not just occasionally, at least from what I have heard or understood. Oh my God, look, we all float down here. Most of you probably know what that's from. Oh, that's just not right. I'm sorry, that's not right. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. Oh, I thought that was a tunnel for a minute, but it looks like it's just a little hole. Probably that big room that we were in before. I think I remember that graffiti. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, my meter's not going off now. I think it was just contamination from my phone. False alarm. Abbey Road. Here lies Hardin's. Then you got this room, little room. It's one of those high up things again. I don't know what the point of those high window things is. If anyone knows what those were used for, it's like 8 or 9 feet above the floor, there's a window there that just goes into the next room. So that spray paint can has been here for a while. Be careful because of this ditch. There's a barred off entrance. Was this the prison? Another prison? Or did they just keep things in here? Sure, as a prison, those bars are so set apart. If you're really skinny, you almost squeeze through there, but you never know. Video. Alright guys, I'm going to have to turn my phone back on so I can give the next shout out anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe. Just my face is right there. Click it, tap it, and you can subscribe. Thank you. That rocked.